All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. It is 6:34 a.m. Yeah. Um, Decided to join the early morning live streaming again today. It was pretty good yesterday, so figured I'd get up a little earlier and kind of get on stream with you guys here. So let's dive in. Let's dive in. Let's do a top down analysis and see where we're at. Right. All right. So, all right, we're on the NASDAQ on the 4-hour time frame. And let's take a look here. Let's mark up our levels, right? So we have our highs up here. Oops. All right. All right. And we have our support levels right here. No bottom wick though on this previous 4-hour right here, if you notice. Oh, is there? Yeah, there's a bottom wick. All right. Yeah, so we're forming this support here. We've been on this support for a while. We cracked down below it yesterday, but we've been respecting. So we kind of just been ranging here, right? But we made this high, lower high, and I think if we are able to break above this high, we're gonna come up, probably grab this wick up here, maybe make a new all-time high. But we got to see if we're gonna start pushing up here. But that's the outlook on the 4-hour time frame. So we're kind of stuck in this range here. We do have news today though, so we should be able to get some volume, come in, some volatility. All right, so yeah, look at that. We came back and yesterday we broke below. I thought we were gonna start ripping down, but this thing went all the way back to the top here. I wouldn't even use this level, even though that's the high there on the 4-hour, but on the 1-hour, we're probably right around here. This is where we are here. We got a break above this resistance here. We should run up here to the top. But all right, so off the 1-hour on the NASDAQ, looks like we broke the highs here. I might be interested in a buy here. Let me take a quick look on the smaller time frame. No bottom wick on this 15. We might get a pullback here. Yeah, 30-minute, no bottom wick either. So yeah, nothing yet. Nothing just yet. In the meantime, let's take a look at gold. See where gold is at. Ooh, oh, this looks interesting here. This is a 30-minute. Yeah. Well, let's look at off the higher time frame first. Let me get rid of these lines first, and then. All right. Let's see where we are. 4-hour time frame. We have right here. So we had this previous resistance here. Look how we tapped this, now turn support, and we're respecting that level. So this is a key level right here. No top wick here on this 4-hour. We're down here. I might be interested in some buys here on gold very soon. Let's look at the 1-hour real quick. All right. Yeah, so perfect. It aligns very good here. We do have this current resistance right here on the 1-hour. Yeah, and I don't know. I think this would be, if we can break above. See here how we had all this resistance here, and we still have resistance here. I think this, we break above this high here, this thing should run up. But I'm gonna leave that level there. But yeah, we're kind of in this range. No top wick here, as we saw on the 30 and the 4-hour. So let's see if this thing's gonna come down, tap here, and then might be interested in some buy opportunities here, to at least come back up and retest this level right here. See this resistance here, I think we can come up and retest there. A break above there will give us some nice trace to the upside here. But I want to see if gold can come down a little steeper maybe, and this thing can start flipping up from here. There's no top wick. Let me take a quick peek at the 4-hour one more time. Yeah. Yeah, let's see if we're gonna come down a little more here. I mean, a break below too. Look at all that range. I mean, we're coming down all the way down here, 32.75 ish. Yeah, it's a good range to come down here, but let's see. Let's see if it's gonna make an attempt to come up first and then come down here. So you might make an attempt to come up, tap, and then break down. Well, we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. The 15-minute is looking bearish. Starting to come down here, but a flip to make this top wick be possible here. You know, 30-minute made a top wick, came down already, broke the lows here. So again, let's see if we can come and tap into this level here. Take a look at the NASDAQ one more time. Yeah, NASDAQ, I wouldn't mind buying it up, but I need this to come down, make a bottom wick here. You know, 1 hour just broke the previous 1 hour highs here. It's bouncing nicely off this, but I expect a little bit of a pullback here for that bottom wick. For example, on the 30, we'll make a little bottom wick, tap into this, and flip. Let's see. We will wait and see. I'll keep it on the 30-minute time frame here just for now, and see how it plays out. Patience, patience, gang. Excuse me. Gold, gold is stalling here, but look at this. It's kind of been slowly trickling down here. I don't know. I expected to at least come down and retest here, but good flip. Yeah, you see the 5 minutes just kind of on a decline here. And look at that, it's pulling back up here. Another 4 hour. Yeah, that 4 hour no top wick. I don't know, gang. I'm interested in these buys here. I would have thought it would have come down a little further, but ooh, yeah. 15-minute broke the highs. Yeah, gang. I think I want to take these buys here. I mean, let me see if we got a little bit more of a pullback. I want to try to get in before 3340. Look at the 30-minute. Oh yeah. And this thing's running up. I'm not in yet, gang. I want to wait a little bit real quick here. Oh, it's not. This thing's about to pop. Just pull back down a little bit. Another 5-7 pips or so. I'll take that wick entry. There we go. A little bit for the pullback. Ooh. There we go. struggling right at this resistance right here. Getting pushed back down a little bit here. There you go. That's a little pullback I wanted to see. Pull back a little more here. All right, gang. I took the buys here. Why is this thing lagging? Come on. There we go. All right, I'm in, gang. Took buys here on gold. Set this up here. Take a chance on it. Yeah, 3339.39. See. Stops are below this support level here. Actually, it should be below this right here. Right there. See if we get it. All right, we're in it, gang. What was it I got in? Oh, that's 39. All right. See how this plays out here. Yeah, I'm anticipating that top wick. Wasn't NASDAQ looking? NAS is looking good for the buys back up. Oh yeah. It's looking good. Broke the highs there. 30-minute like. No bottom wick here. But you know what I'll do, gang? You know, we formed like this little, you know, consolidation here. Look how we're breaking out. But what I would say is that, wow, look, it's ripping up here. Yeah, but I need a bottom wick here. So maybe the next 30-minute candle at 7 can give us a push down, create that bottom wick here, you know, and then we can look for an entry here to take it up to the top there. But I'm gonna wait it out. Yeah, I mean, the next candle will just rip up, and that's fine with me, but can't take that entry without a bottom wick here. We'll get in here, then we're gonna get caught in this drawdown. So best practice is just kind of wait it out and see if this thing will come down and make a bottom wick here. We'll get it. And I'm pushing up here with 4 minutes left here. Gold. Oh, here we go. I want to see how this. Let me go back to this. I want to see how this is gonna play out here. All right, so we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. Let me keep an eye on the 30-minute here. Yeah, I'm interested in buys here for the Nasdaq, but and if next candle can open up, you know, create that bottom wick here, then I'll take the entry there. Yeah, I'll take it to the top of the range here. Yeah, 15 minutes bullish here, but we need a bottom wick here. So if we just come down, maybe even retap support here and then bounce off from there. Yeah, you can see we're coming down a little bit here. All right, we have a new candle open now. Let's take a look here. Yeah, no bottom wick here either. Let it push up a little bit, come down, make that bottom wick, and then we can take potential buy positions from that point on. That's what I'm planning to execute. All right, gold's starting to run up here a little bit. Man, Nas didn't give me the bottom wick here, man. Damn, this thing's about to take off. Yeah, we got a bottom wick on this count. I mean, if we come out and break the highs here, I might just take the buys up. How does the 1 hour look? It looks bullish. It's like a 0.19 risk. It's looking good to push up here, gang. It's about 50-60 pips at the top here. I'm very interested here. Yeah, our gold trades in profit here at the moment. Yeah, we're up about seven pips. It's running up here. See, we get that push. Will you come down and make that bottom wick here? That's what I prefer, but sometimes, it made a bottom wick already on this candle. Started pushing up. Never broke the highs, though. Takes out those highs, it'll start running up. Yeah, I prefer the bit of, that small pullback here. Yeah, perhaps even down here. But once it comes down to make that bottom wick, I don't mind taking that entry. Actually, I might lower my risk. Let me lower the lot size. I might go in with like a, let's do a 0.30 lot. And not to let go. What did I do? There we go. Oh, this thing flipped on us again. Alright, still holding this here. Just keep an eye on this. Still need that top wick here. Looks like it wants to continue to move up here. Nice, there we go. That's what I want to see, a little bit of a pullback here. It's not that bad. I mean, it's gonna close here. Let me just take a yeah, we closed bullish. We're gonna close bullish here too. We already made the top wick here on the 15. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this here game. Yeah, 15 close bullish. And I took a buy here on NASDAQ. Even if it pulls down and make the wick from here, I can, oh, you know what oh shoot. But I had switched it to 0.30. When I went to the gold chart, it must have reset back to 1. All right, so good. All right, we'll hold on to it for now. Yeah. I'm good there. Yeah, my target's the top of the range there. Stops are below this candle wick right here. All right. See how this plays out. It's just the 1 hour. Right. So we're in the NASDAQ now. Let's see how this plays out. Right, let's take a look at gold and see how this thing is looking. Yeah, we're right around break even on gold here. Still not looking too bad. Still waiting for that flip. Waiting for these trades to move here. Yeah, we got gold buys and buys on the NASDAQ as well. Oh yeah, I didn't put the actually get the numbers in on this. Alright. 23,810.7. Alright, top of the range, 23,863.6. Alright, that's our trade. NASDAQ right there. Alright, we're in some profit here. A few pips. I'm up about 200 bucks here. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. I mean, I had gold, I'm sorry. See what this is doing over here on this end. Yeah, I'm in drawdown about, well, I'm up $4 here. It's just about break even here. We're still waiting to see if we get this move up here on gold. All right. Again, it's still a little early, but we're in the pre-New York session, so we should see some volume. Eventually, I think gold will make a bigger move down, but I think it's going to come and retest here. I mean, if we get a break above this, I think once we break structure here, it should run up, but I think we'll come back to retest this level up here eventually. So I took my buys in. Again, no top wick here as well. So we come up, make a top wick for this candle. I'll, eventually go break even by that point, probably before then. Yeah, we're in profit, but it's about break. Well, yeah, pull back. Yeah, so excuse me, man, it's early. All right, NASDAQ running up here. I think once we come up and we break these highs here, we should continue to drive up. All right, gang, trades are running. Give me a sec. I want to get some more coffee, and I'll be right back. All right, gang, I'm back here. Let's take a look. Ooh, okay, I broke the highs again. Yeah, it's looking good here. What's gold doing? Yeah, we go. Oh, there we go. Hey, we're running 30 pips. All right, gang, I went break even here. Yeah, I'm break even on gold. Edit this. Oh, there goes, yeah. Oh, no, not the entry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. What was it again? My bad. Wrong one. Break even on gold. See, we continue to run up, at least to the top here. Beautiful. All right, perfect, perfect. All right. Set there. All right. So we're risk free on the gold trade. So we already made a top wick here. So I don't know. This thing might come back down, but we'll break even. I want to see if it continues to run up here. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ here. See where we are. Yeah, running about 500 bucks. See if we continue to move up here. $30-minute open. I didn't take a look. It might be making a bottom wick here. Yeah, so this, yeah, it's about the 30 came down, made a bottom wick, but the 30 broke the highs, closed above the highs there. So the bottom wick, we should continue to go up. In this case here, and once we take out the previous 30 highs, we should get another push up. See if we get some volume. It's almost 8 o'clock here. If we come up and re-break these highs, I'll go break even on the NASDAQ as well. All right, gang, we're looking good. Solid profits here on both trades. It's looking great. Hey, Sean. Yeah, Sean. Yeah, it's too late to get in on either trade at this point for me. I mean, on the Nasdaq, we did make this bottom wick, Sean, and you know, we come up and break these highs. I would, excuse me. What I say, Sean, if you do get it now on a buy, I'll probably put my stop loss right below this previous 30 candle here, maybe a few pips below. You know, to not have too much risk on it. You know, this thing could come back down here, but I mean, it's looking bullish on the Nasdaq. I mean, I think we're gonna come up to the top, but you know, that doesn't mean we won't come down. You know, pull down here. We don't have a bottom wick here, which we never got earlier. So you know, it's up to you, man. But I don't know. I probably just stay out at this point unless we break the highs here and you want to get in, which it seems like we are about to do here. What the heck happened to my chart? Oh, what was that? Yeah, honestly, if this 30 pushes up to the high here, I'll go break even then. All right. 30 minutes pumping up here. Yeah, I'm up about 800. Oh, well, it was. Yeah. You know what, gang? I'm gonna take a partial here. Wait, what? How let's do this all damn time. That actually, let me edit this real quick. 63. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go break even here. So I went break even on the NAS trade here. Yeah. Yep. I'm break even on NAS now. We're good here. All right. Risk free on both trades here, gang. Dang, what is this thing? Yeah. All right. Let's see if we can break these highs and continue to drive up here. In the meantime, let's take a look at gold. Yeah, this thing is starting to come up here. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, what about gold? What's gold? Is it running up? It should be running. Oh, way. Here we go. Yeah, oh my goodness. Good. I'm up 40 pips here. Nice. Nicely done here. Yeah, we're risk free here, but this thing is running up. Let's see if we can tap up here. All right. Yeah, we're up about 40 pips here. Gang, I closed partials here. Close partials at 20 pips here on gold. We'll move that. I'm gonna take partials on the NASDAQ. Let me see where it's at. I didn't break the highs there, but it's up about, I'm up about $700 there. So yeah, I'm gonna take partials here as well. Yeah, I closed half of my position there. So yeah, took partials here. And we're risk free on that trade as well. So yeah, secure some partials. Now we'll let it run and see what happens. Let's see what happens. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Yeah, I closed 50% of my positions. Yeah, this 30-minute made an attempt there, but failed to break the highs, and it's coming down. So you know, let's keep an eye on it. But we're break even. Took partials up here, and let's see. Yeah, secure some profits there. See if we get a runner go up. That's a trade there, gang. Yeah, gold's running 40 pips right now, and this trade just waiting for this 30 to come up now. Here we might push up. Once we take out the highs, we should be good to go to continue to climb up. Perfect. Yeah, just hold this runner here. it's almost up there, almost breaking the highs on the 30 here on the NASDAQ, which is what I would like to see. We can start pushing up, but yeah, came close but didn't break. There we go. Ooh, did it break? Yeah, it broke the highs. All right, here we go. We should get a bigger move up here. This trade is looking beautiful. Up about 600, 500 on this runner here. But we just broke the highs here. So let's see if we get a continuation to the upside here. What the hell? What? This thing just reloaded itself. Great. All right. Yeah, it's running. Nas is running up about $680 right now. Yeah, so I like 700. All right, so all right. When I secured some more profits there, closed another partial there, secure some more profits. Still got a small runner going here on the NASDAQ. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do it again. Just take a look at gold real quick. Yeah, gold is looking good here. Yeah, I already secured partials here. We're running about 40 pips still here, but it's running up here. Let's see if we get that push to the top here. All right. Yeah, we're running almost 50 pips here on gold. 44 pips. Yeah, there we go. What am I running total here on these trades? Yeah, I'm running about $540 total with two current trades. It's not bad. It's pretty good. I already secured my partials, secured some profits. Stops are at break even, gang. It's a win today for sure. Yeah, we have a new 30-minute candle coming up in 2 minutes here. Starting to trace a little bit. Let's see if they can stay above here. I'm thinking that new candle might come in and then make a bottom wick or continues to move up, but I don't want to risk my profits here. All right, it's at 140, 48, 150 bucks. All right, gang, I closed my runner here on gold. Took care of that. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. All right, I closed. Yeah, this thing is slightly pulling back. I'm up about 200. I still think it's gonna go up, but 222. Yeah, secured that too. Let's go. Close all trades. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep, beautiful. That's good. Made a little over 1,000 this morning. Perfect, man. Perfect, perfect. All right, gang. That's all I got today. Nice, 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 nice. For those who were able to take that, look at that first candle. Look at that pop down. It's a good thing I got out. Yeah, we're starting to come down a little bit. This thing, it should continue to move up, potentially up to this target, but um, I might look for other opportunities probably later on myself. But yeah, we are good. All right, gang. That's all I got today. We got off to a good start today. We do have news 8 o'clock Eastern time and 8:30. I'm sorry, 8:30. So in another half hour, we got some news kicking in, and at 10 a.m. today as well. So yeah, that's all I got for today, gang. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Those who were able to take these trades and make some money early morning, congratulations. That's a W. Way to start your day. Start your day right. So I hope everybody has a great day, a blessed day. For my platform members, we will be trading, later on in the New York session. So stay tuned for that. And everybody else, everybody have a fantastic weekend, and I'll be seeing you guys on Monday. All right, God bless and have a good day. Peace out.
Sueño